Hi, I'm Stuart, Managing Director of Vision, and I'm going to unbox this TM-CC. TM stands for Tech Mount. All of our projector mounts start with that, and then the CC is close coupled, which means close, supports it close to the ceiling. So these come pre-assembled, instructions there. So you've got all of your screws and you've got the mount itself. The pin hex bit we include here, this uses pin hex bolts which make it harder to steal. We include a bit for a cordless drill. This is installed by contractors who do many a day, and it's just easier for them to use a cordless drill instead of a normal hex key. So we include that style. So the way to install it, we've got a silicone boot we include which just hides the ugly knuckle. So I slide that up, out of the way. And I undo these bolts here. To make it into two parts. This part I fix up into the ceiling. Don't fix it to a ceiling tile. That won't take the weight. You need to fix it to a proper load-bearing structure. Most often you'll be using timber screws or something like that. Just make sure you use appropriate screws into a load-bearing structure. So that goes up in the ceiling. And then down here we flip our projector upside down. The holes on the bottom of a projector are never in a standard position. And often the projector is not level on the bottom either. So we adjust our spider like so. We spread out the tuning forks to pick up the hole positions here. So it's completely universal. This will fit most projectors up to 10 kilograms in weight, and most projectors are now under 10 kilograms in weight. So really fits 99% of projectors. So you can also adjust reach here. So these plastic sleeves slide up and down so that if you have a projector with an uneven base, you can just adjust them like so. And then you would choose the correct long screw here and put them through these sleeves into the bottom of the projector, do them up tight, and that's how you do it. So then we take this assembly up the ladder, we fix it, put those bolts back in place here and lock everything off, pull that silicone boot down, and then we're done. So that is the TM-CC.